Biology and its branches. Biology is the science of life. The word biology comes from two Greek words, that is, bios, life, and logos, study. It explores the structures, functions, and interactions of living organisms. Understanding biology helps us to address issues related to health, food, and the environment. Biology offers a fascinating journey of discovery, from the microscopic world of bacteria to the vast ecosystems of our planet. Major fields of biology. Biology is a vast field that explores the incredible diversity of life on Earth. To better understand this complexity, scientists have divided biology into three main fields. Zoology. It is the study of animals, including their structure, function, behavior, and diversity. Botany. It is the study of plants, including their structure, growth, reproduction, and interactions with their environment. Microbiology. The study of microorganisms, such as bacteria and microscopic fungi, is called microbiology. It includes the study of the structures, functions, habitats, and reproduction of microorganisms, and their impacts on health and environment. Branches or subfields of biology. Biology is divided into different branches to better understand the aspects of life. Morphology is the study of the form and structure of organisms. Morphology studies the outward appearance, shape, color, pattern, etc., as well as internal structures like organs. Anatomy is the branch of biology that explores the internal physical structure of organisms, particularly humans. It helps in disease diagnosis, medical device development, and improving quality of life. For example, the study of the organs of the digestive system. Physiology is the branch of biology that deals with the functioning of body parts. For example, how the blood circulatory system transports vital substances throughout the body. Histology is the microscopic study of tissues. Tissues are groups of cells that have similar functions. Tissue examination helps in disease diagnosis, drug studies, and understanding organ structure and function. Cytology is the study of cells, that is, the building blocks of life. Cytologists unravel the fundamental structures of cells and their organelles. They also study the mechanisms of cell division. The human body contains over 30 trillion cells. Various types of cells possess unique structures. Molecular biology deals with the study of biological molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. Molecular biologists also study fundamental life processes, develop drugs, and create genetically modified organisms. Embryology is the study of the process of development of organism from fertilized egg. In this branch, scientists study tissue and organ formation, identify birth defects, and develop medical treatments. Genetics is the branch of biology that deals with the study of transfer of characteristics from parents to offspring. In genetics, scientists also study the causes of genetic diseases and develop better varieties of plants and animals. Paleontology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of fossils. The examination of fossils helps scientists to know the evolutionary history of organisms. For example, dinosaur fossils provide evidence of giant reptiles that roamed the Earth millions of years ago. Fossils are the remains of plants and animals that were preserved in rocks and other geological formations. The oldest known fossil is a cyanobacterium, estimated to be 3.5 billion years old. Taxonomy is the branch of biology that deals with the classification of organisms into groups on the basis of similarities and differences. Classification of organisms helps to organize and understand the diversity of life, identify new species, and study evolutionary relationships.
Ecology is the branch of biology that deals with the relationships between organisms and their environment. Ecology helps to conserve biodiversity and address environmental problems. The food chain, for instance, illustrates the interconnectedness of organisms for energy and nutrients. Marine biology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of life in oceans. It helps to understand ocean biodiversity, discover new species, and address marine conservation issues. For example, coral reefs support a wide variety of marine life. Pathology is the study of diseases, their causes and effects. Pathology helps in disease diagnosis, prevention, and treatment. For example, pathologist studies how the uncontrolled division and spread of cells causes cancer. Immunology is the branch in which we study the components of the immune system and their role against diseases. Immunologists study to develop vaccines, treat autoimmune diseases, and improve immune responses to infections. Pharmacology is the branch in which we study drugs and their effects on the body. This helps in the development of new drugs. For example, new antibiotics are developed that are used to kill bacteria and treat bacterial infections. These are just a few of the many branches of biology. Each branch offers unique insights into the fascinating world of life, contributing to our understanding of the complexity and beauty of our planet. 1.2. Relation of biology with other sciences. Biology is closely linked with other natural sciences, such as chemistry, physics, and earth sciences. These connections help us understand life processes, environmental interactions, and the complexities of living organisms. The following are a few examples of how biology is connected with other sciences. 1. Biochemistry. Biochemistry is the study of the structure and reactions of different chemical substances present in living systems. The study of the chemical reactions of photosynthesis and respiration are examples of biochemistry. 2. Biophysics. It deals with the study of the principles of physics which apply to biological processes. For example, in biophysics, we study the rules of lever and motion for understanding the function of muscles, bones, and joints. 3. Computational biology. In computational biology, scientists use mathematical models, algorithms, and computer simulations to understand biological systems and relationships. It involves analyzing biological data, such as sequence of amino acids in a protein. 4. Biogeography. It deals with the study of the distribution of living organisms in different geographical regions of the world. The influence of climate change on the distribution of organisms is also studied in biogeography. 5. Biostatistics. It deals with the principles of statistics to analyze and interpret data related to living organisms. Biostatistics plays a crucial role in biological research, healthcare, and public health, etc. 6. Biotechnology. It deals with the use of living organisms or their components to develop beneficial products or processes for various fields, including healthcare, agriculture, and environmental management. For example, biotechnologists use bacteria for the production of insulin to treat diabetic patients.